Object snaps are powerful drawing aids. They ensure that when we create or modify geometry, that it is created or edited accurately. In this particular drawing, we're looking at geometry that was created to represent a floor plan. In addition, some furniture has been drawn as well. And at this particular level of magnification, it looks pretty good. But if we zoom in by using the roller wheel on the mouse, as we zoom in closer to check some of the work, you can see that the line segments are not created accurately. There are line segments here that are too short. There's another segment here that's too long. These two lines do not meet at the appropriate intersection because one line is too long, and here's another one where the line is too short. Here's another example over here, and if I zoom in even closer, you'll see that there's a gap that exists on this segment as well. And the reason this geometry was not created correctly is because the person did not use object snaps to make sure that the new geometry is snapped to existing geometry so that it is created accurately. As we delve into the different types of object snaps, let's begin by talking about the most common type of object snaps to use. The first type of object snap is referred to as a running object snap. This is an object snap that we toggle on from the status bar. Running object snaps ensure that whenever the cursor is placed near a particular type of object, the cursor will search and try to find that snap type on that geometry. The second type of object snap is what's known as a snap override. A snap override can be controlled by a right-click with the mouse. If you right-click, you'll find the snap overrides in the shortcut menu that appears when using most AutoCAD commands. For those commands when right-clicking does not display snap overrides in the shortcut menu, you can press the Shift key and then right-click to display the snap overrides shortcut menu. When you work in 2D, you typically use two-dimensional object snaps, such as endpoint and midpoint. When working in 3D, you can continue to use these object snaps or use specific 3D object snaps to snap to three-dimensional geometry, such as a vertex or corner of an object, or the midpoint on an edge.